In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Beehiiv API key easily and efficiently. Whether you're new to Beehiiv or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will have you accessing your API key in no time. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Beehiiv website. If you're not already familiar, Beehiiv is a popular platform for creating and managing newsletters, offering numerous tools and integrations to make your experience smooth and effective. Once you've arrived at their homepage, you'll see a variety of options, but our focus today is on accessing your account. Look towards the top right corner of the page and you'll find the login option. Click on this to proceed. This will prompt a new screen where you can enter your credentials to access your Beehiiv account. Now, if you're like many users who find convenience in linking their accounts, you'll see an option to sign in with Google. Clicking on this can save you some time by automatically logging you in using your Google credentials, streamlining the whole process. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, which acts as your control center for all things Beehiiv. Here, you'll want to locate and click on the Settings tab. It's usually straightforward to find, often positioned on the left-hand side within the main menu of options. Once there, give it a click and you'll be directed to a new area with various settings and configurations available for your account. Next, on this settings page, you'll spot a section labelled API. It's crucial because finding your API key is embedded within these settings. Click on API and you'll access the specific area where these details are housed. Here, you have the option to view either API v1 or API v2. Both versions serve different integration needs, so depending on your specific requirements or the application you're working with, you may need to reference one over the other. Be sure you're selecting the correct version that matches your integration needs to avoid any potential mishaps. Once you're sure of which API version you need, simply copy the corresponding link provided. It's vital to handle this information carefully and securely, as your API key is essentially a digital access token to your account's data and should be protected like a password. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully located and copied your Beehiiv API key. Remember that utilizing the API opens up a host of possibilities for integrating tools and enhancing your newsletter capabilities. Thanks for following along, and be sure to keep your API key secure. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore other tutorials for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your Beehiiv experience.